we're gonna work our way down into sector rotation now, because this is really the kind of the meat and potatoes of what we want to focus on today. So sector rotation is nothing more, as we just described, the flow of money into and out of these individual groups. So when we work our way up the power pyramid and we determine, is the market doing something, the next decision is, if the market comes back with the big answer, yes, we move up here and say, okay, what sectors, what larger groups of stocks are doing the same thing that markets are doing? Easier trades there. Why? You have this solid foundation under your idea. You now have another layer of a foundation under your idea. The more solid your idea, the greater conviction. And that's actually a big thing to learn in trading as well. The more reasons you can place into that idea, the more reasons to be buying a stock, the more conviction you should have, because you did that little bit extra work to say the market's doing this, the sector's doing this, the industry group's doing this, and there's volume, which we're going to point out volume again in a second.